back with the tractor today. I'm going to try another round of digging some fence post holes. Since our last filming with the tractor, we've done some, well, I can't take any credit for any of it. My friend Daryl and my dad both came up with some possibilities of things that were going on with it. So one, the stalling may have been to do with, I did run it out of gas once. So it may have just been some sludge or crud in the bottom of the gas tank. Hopefully that part is kind of fixed itself. Part two, we figured out about the not starting. See, it's quite melted here. So we checked the fuse, and it didn't fare so well. So we've got a new fuse on it, and the other thing we did, just to, I guess, keep it in good shape, put it on the trickle charger, and so the battery's good. We just took that off, and yeah, hopefully it goes.
And some adjustments on our angle of the post hole auger, which hopefully means it will actually dig through our dry, hard-packed soil.
We had it set, I don't even remember why we did this, but we'd set it down lower so it was on less of an angle.
We did that so that when you were driving with it, it was up higher.
Up higher. But anyway, so we've kind of gone back to a little bit more of an angle, and hopefully it'll dig a bit better. So we shall see what happens.
Well, it started. That's a good start.
Well, so far today, it's been a good day. We are, I don't know, it's probably approaching noon, but everything is working super good. Probably should touch wood. Hang on. Touch wood. It keeps going that way for the day. We've probably done, I guess, close to 10 posts, and tractor's working awesome. Thanks to those that helped with that. And there's been no meltdowns. Kids have been getting us water. That's been awesome. And it's a little hot, but we'll take it. Yeah, hopefully this weekend, maybe pasture 1. Anyways, I'll show you how we've got on so far. So, as you can see, posts are in their holes. We haven't straightened up and tampered yet, but we're hoping to get all the posts for the first pasture in, then come back and do the T-post in between and so on. But this is progress and far better than what we've had in the past. So here Chris goes. Oh, he's working on our hexagon that all of our pastures will branch off of. So far, we're not doing too bad. I'm falling behind in my getting the posts into the holes, but that's okay. It's definitely been a mixture. Every now and then we hit a sandy hole, and then sometimes we're in something that just seems hard as rock. But we are making progress, and that's good. The old Massey is pulling through today. Morning! It's, no, I'm not going to say that. Is it Saturday? Good morning. It's Saturday. No, we don't want to say that because then that means you have to post it.
It's hot today, and we still want to try to progress with some stuff, so slight change of plans from trying to put fence posts in the ground because it's really hot in the back. We're going to basically work on a goose pen. So kind of over here we've got
big fallen down apple tree.
Yep, half of one of our apple trees fell down this summer, so we've kind of got to take the branches off of that. Basically, next to the chicken run, we're going to move. You can probably see them up on the hill. There are the two buildings. Before we do that, we've got to put up this fence, which is, we've taken the panels down, and we have the fence piece. It's just one of those jobs we didn't quite get to. So we've got to put that up, and kids are working hard on peeling fence posts. We need 4.
I got a full one.
Nice.
Good job.
So we are progressing with our fence. It's hot, but we've got our wire spliced in, and we're just about ready to pull. We just got to do our last tightening.
So we got the little strip of fence up, which is good. It's not done, but we have the fence standing. So that's been a job we've not gotten to for, I don't know, a couple months since we put those posts in. But so we still have that section over there that kind of goes between the chicken run and the garden fence. And then we took a lot of the smaller branches off the apple tree, but still have to figure out cutting up the bigger chunks. So we may have to get the chainsaw out later. No, I'm not really looking forward to that in hot weather. But anyways, making progress. Because we'll show you here in a second, but we actually were able to get some, we had 3 post holes we had to dig. And the kids peeled 4 logs for us. And yeah, we've actually made some progress. Here's one of our holes, and see, well, maybe you can see, we didn't do too bad. It was still a little bit hard, but we got this one in. We got to take some dirt out of the bottom, and then our third one is over there by that gate. So I think it ended up, kind of measured it out. It was like 18 by 24 foot pen, and there's a chicken trying to escape. This would be the rooster that's always on the wrong side of the fence. But another advantage to doing some of this fencing is we'll actually be able to let them out into the bigger pasture back here, because they won't be able to fit through the fencing. But anyways, we're going to keep going. Oh, my goodness.
And that is how we wish every post would go. But it doesn't.
Quick and easy.
Yeah.
So, it's got to be about 8 o'clock, and we still have to do chores, finish chores, actually I should say. But, we kind of actually got not ahead, we've got some things sort of done. So we have our gate, we got our 2 stretches of fence, so we obviously got our other 2 fence posts in on the other side for our eventual goose pen. And I guess in addition to that, between yesterday and today, we got 38 fence posts in the ground. So poles dug and the posts in the ground, and a couple extra ones were peeled for the stuff up here. So all but 3 of those are in the back pasture where we've been working. So that's not bad. Now we just got to go through and tamper those, and we still got another side to that pen and the other side to the channel to do, but it's still progress. And the tractor's actually worked really well. We changed the angle of the post hole digger again, and put some water in a couple of holes, problem holes yesterday, and I just went back and finished them, and it actually worked really well. So yeah, it's just having the time to do everything.